What's going on, everyone? Jack here from Half Chrome, and this is the Radiomaster Boxer Crush. And there are really two things that set it apart from the original. One, this one's got multiple color options, which is kind of fun. And two, we have the AGO1 gimbals. Those are pretty awesome. Now, I've been using my original Boxer since it came out. This thing has been my daily driver. I love it. I love the form factor. I added some switch covers here. I upgraded the sticks on this. Get yourself a nice little lanyard. But this is a great radio, and I like it because it's just like the perfect size radio for me. I initially had one of these, a TX16. It's great, but it's big, and I don't need a gigantic radio. Radiomaster also makes some really nice smaller radios like the Zorro and the Pocket. I'm a big fan of both, actually. I really like this Zorro. And the Pocket, I gave it to my nephew. Smaller guy, small hands, works better for him. This just seems to be the perfect fit for me, and I think for a lot of people. Now, the original Boxer is $140, and this Crush version is $180. Now, these gimbals alone are $80, and putting them in, not hard, but it's not a process that you probably want to go through. So it's nice they did it for you. Let's get a run through of what we're looking at here. We've got 2 position switches on the outside, 3 position in the middle. On the shoulder, we have a locking switch and a momentary switch. These dials are awesome. I love to put throttle cut on a dial. We got that here. If you're looking to do that, I'll put a link in the description down below. But that's awesome. We're going to charge on the bottom. It does support fast charging. That's USB-C. And up on the top here, we have another USB-C. This is to connect it to your computer to run it as a simulator or to access your SD card. We've got a microphone jack and a trainer. In the back, we have this nice fabric handle just for portability. It's pretty darn solid. We've got a standard JR bay, a pretty gigantic battery tray. Now, you can pick up this 6200 milliamp hour battery from Radiomaster, and they say that'll get you, I think, 20 hours of flying. That's pretty awesome. Now, also, if you have an external module, there are some notches cut out in this battery door, so you can pretty cleanly pull that battery lead up and then still lock that into place and power your external module.
Welcome to Edge TX.
You heard the lady. We're running Edge TX on this thing. And this is an ELRS only model. You can get a 4-in-1 with the original Boxer, but I believe the Boxer Crush editions are only ELRS. This antenna here is removable if you want to replace it or bend it or opt for something different. Now turn the backlight on the screen off, and you can maybe make this out using the jog wheel here. They even preloaded a handful of games for you. Play little asteroids. Get ready. I mean, that's kind of fun. There's a handful of games in there if that's something you're interested in. We've got 6 light up buttons here as well. We've got your trims. You've heard the nice speaker. System, model, return, page forward, page back, and your telemetry button. I'm a big fan. I think Radiomaster makes the best radios hands down, and the Boxer is my favorite. It's not cheap, right? The original's $140. If you want this Crush version, it's $180. But like I said, you're getting these gimbals, which start at $80 a pop. So you're saving $40 if that's something you're thinking about moving to later on. Radiomaster even gets the little details right, like this case. This case is awesome. It's not gigantic. I can put this in my backpack. The radio fits in there nice and secure. We've got that Velcro strap. We've got a beautiful gimbal protector there and a pocket up here for your cable for charging. And they even throw in a nice little keychain for you. If you're interested in picking one of these up, I have links down below. They're affiliate links. They help support the channel. So make sure you click that link. Hope this was helpful. Good luck, everyone, and happy flying.